Good morning. I thought I would give a quick tutorial for those of you who would like to print something off of the internet. Maybe an artist like myself has made a drawing like this one that I've done, and they've posted it online and they say, all right, you can, print it, trace it, paint one for yourself, but you're just not sure how to do that. So here I have gone to the link. I have printed the picture for myself. So now I have this picture, but I don't know how to get it onto my paper. For the paper I'm going to transfer it on today, I'm going to use a Strathmore watercolor card. This little bunny fits right into the space here, and I'd like to transfer it onto the card so I can send it in the mail for Easter. So to transfer this printout onto a card, an easy way to do that is to flip it over, and you're going to be using your pencil. A softer one the better. The softer are just easier to get onto the paper and a little bit darker. So you can also just use a regular pencil as well, but you're going to take your pencil and scribble over the rabbit so that you're coloring on the back side of the paper where the rabbit is on the front side. So here we go. And you don't want it to be sharp, you want a nice dull point, as it's easier to color over a large area if you have a nice dull rounded point to your pencil. Okay, I think I have it about done. Okay, I have my card that I want to trace the bunny onto. All right, there we go. Okay, and make sure you have the card opening the way that you want it to. There. Okay, so now we have it taped down. And the next step, you're going to want to take a very sharp pencil, nicely sharpened pencil. And here you go. So, start anywhere, maybe go top to bottom or bottom to top so you don't forget a line. Another thing I like to do is use a different color so that it shows up, so you know where you've covered it. So I'm going to start from the top and go to the bottom. So I'll start with the ears. To check as you go, leave the bottom untaped. I think I've gone over most of the important, oh, forgot the nose. There we go. And the whiskers on this side. Okay, let's see if that worked. All right, we have our little bunny. Hopefully you can see that well. Just a very light transfer, so now you can do the watercolor on top of that. I'm going over the transfer with watercolor. This little Easter bunny will be in the mail to my mother-in-law, and she'll gift it to one of her friends for Easter. I hope you get the chance to create, to paint, to spend time with loved ones, and I'll see you next time.